Well, what's up, Scooter fam? Um, we're getting back to this. I guess I've been referring to it as the clapped out 50. Um, it would fall right in line, or maybe even more, with Clifton from Scooter Rehab's meth rocket. This thing is definitely came in as a meth rocket. Um, I have gotten it running. Um, it doesn't run well. And I've checked all the normal things. Did the valves, replaced the exhaust gasket, verified that there's no air leaks or anything like that. So, based on every other stupid issue I've found with this thing, if you watched part one and two, you know what I'm talking about. It's probably time for me to tear down the top end and see what the hell's in there. Kind of scared to do it, but that's probably where we'll be going here in a minute. So um, stick around. I'm gonna mess with it a little bit more before I decide to tear into it. But if I do tear into it, I'll bring you along on the journey.